Mark their location. Look now, from your left, as King 02 demonstrates helicopter aerial refuelings with Jolly 11 and Jolly 12. They're escorted by Sandy 3 and 4. The pattern that the A-10s are flying is referred to as a daisy chain. The purpose of this rescue is for the A-10s to look for and suppress any threats to Jolly 11 as he moves into and insert the Guardian Angel team and pick up the survivor. Jolly 11 gets into the area, the A-10s and Jolly form a hover cover, which is a simple stationary escort. For an effective rescue, communications must be established and enemy threats in the immediate area must be located and suppressed. Specially qualified A-10 pilots, call sign Sandy, will handle these tasks. Sandy 1 will be the first to make voice contact. Once communications are established, Sandy 1 shifts to the next priority, protect the survivors by eliminating any threats to friendly forces. This is uncommon in 10 seconds.
Eagle 01. Eagle 01, Sandy 01, I got you Lima Charlie. Confirm condition, and you're co-located with Eagle 02. Sandy 01, Eagle 01, that's a firm. I am co-located with Eagle 02. I am uninjured, however, Eagle 02 has a broken leg. Be advised, we saw enemy to our west while we were in a canopy. Copy, you're uninjured, Eagle 2, broken leg, enemy to the west. Sandy 1 is tally, the enemy to the west, expect suppression momentarily. Eagle 01, copy.
The A-10s will simulate their weapon of choice, the 30mm Gal-8 Gatling gun. Firing bullets the size of Coke bottles at 65 rounds per second, the A-10's Gatling gun has a devastating effect on the enemy. The Gal-8 is the most flexible weapon available to the A-10 and can be used against any type of target set. Looking to your left, you can now see Sandy 1 and 2 in with guns. Sandy 1 is Major Joshua Goodell from...
Sandy 1 up and in from the east.
Sandy 2 is Captain Michael Pott from St. Louis, Missouri. The A-10's remarkable maneuverability and vast arsenal enables it to perform the close air support mission. The Warthog can deliver unparalleled firepower, destroying targets in close proximity to friendly ground forces. It employs a wide variety of modern weapons, including Maverick missiles, unguided bombs, laser and GPS-guided bombs, rockets, and 30mm bullets. With the enemy suppressed, Sandy 1 has determined that the immediate area is safe for the rescue force to move in. He ensures that Jolly 1-1 understands the landing zone topography and the condition of the survivors. The Desert Lightning team is ready to pick up the survivors.
Sandy and Jolly's all players. Execute, execute, execute. Jolly 1-1, execute. Jolly 1-2, execute.
Through the earlier radio communications, Sandy 1 has determined that one aircrew member is seriously injured. Today, the Guardian Angel team will fast rope in from Jolly 1-2 to secure the landing zone and prepare the survivors for extraction. Today's Guardian Angels are Captain Samuel Amedia and Master Sergeant Michael Smith of the 48th Rescue Squadron. As you look to the left, you can see the CSAR task force approaching.
Jolly 1-1, visual eagle.
The Guardian Angel team will insert into the isolated personnel's location from the helicopter. Once at the survivor's location, the team provides many capabilities, such as rapid extraction, tactical medical treatment, combat survival, and lethal defense. On the ground, the team will secure the area, treat immediate medical concerns, and prepare for extraction. In a combat rescue environment, time is critical. Every effort must be made to effectively support the isolated personnel without exposing the rescue task force to ongoing threats. The Guardian Angel team and the helicopters are particularly vulnerable during this phase of the operation. Using the radios, the Guardian Angel team can communicate with Sandy 1 to inform him of any additional threats that may arise. As you can see above, the A-10s provide a constant lethal umbrella of protection during the helo's ingress and egress.
Captain Chainsaw, pop up threat to your west. Expect 3 and 4 in momentarily. Jolly. 73 in to the southeast. In to the southeast.
They dropped PJs to pick them up.
Their task completed, the Guardian Angels call to be extracted. Jolly can simply land or execute hoist operations. In dense forest, over water, or over a minefield, the hoist is the only option. Look now as the Guardian Angel team and the survivors are loaded into the helicopter.
Advise response happens between. 30 seconds. We will be out your...
Task force departs, the Guardian Angel team will scan the landing zone to ensure that there are no additional threats in the area and make one last check to ensure that no one is left behind. The A-10s will continue to provide escort to the helos and clear the return route of flight for all CSAR forces as they exit the area.
Well, they're the second ones. They're the ones that down past.
The demonstration you just witnessed took only a few minutes to execute. In reality, this very same mission might take anywhere from several hours to many days to plan and accomplish. Ladies and gentlemen, as you watch the aircraft sequence into land, this concludes your Desert Lightning Team Combat Search and Rescue demonstration. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Rescue and attack.
Captain Long and the rest of the team, let's hear it for them, ladies and gentlemen. Just a small glimpse at some of the things they're trained to do here at Davis Monthan. Our crews will actually be landing in front of you here, recovering in front of you, and you can give them a big wave. They won't hear your appreciation, they'll see it. So as they get down closer to the ground and come on in for a taxi, give them a huge wave. Sign of appreciation and a way to thank them for their service. Give them a huge wave, ladies and gentlemen. They'll be looking now as they make their way in. All eyes are forward. Show them some appreciation. What an outstanding photo and video opportunity coming up from the left right now. Here come the Hogs, ladies and gentlemen. 4 of them getting ready to break to land. And we have a full tactical demonstration, including pyro, coming up later this afternoon, just before the Thunderbirds fly. Cody's here with the demonstration A-10. The hometown crowd. It's going to be great to see its full demonstration with pyro. The A-10 Thunderbolt 2 Warthog. And if you're just arriving or you've been standing long enough, a little reminder that we have a few premium Thunderbolt Club beer gardens and premium box seats available. The purchase for today's show, seats include a fold-up chair, Right on the flight line, access to a shade tent and private restroom facilities. Go to the entrance of the premium seats, show left, right in front of where the A-10 demo team is parked. And help yourself to some shade, seat, relax, enjoy the show. We're also going to recover the A-10s, and they're going to parade by one after the other. Development block sets. Once they recover, so you'll get a close-up look at the A-10 and a chance to show the pilots some love, too, as they taxi by with the canopies open. Here come the Warthogs now, the Bulldogs, well represented here this weekend. As one after the other, off to the left they recover. One of the cool things in the static display area you might have walked by at the entrance, near the entrance at least, is the folks from Cygnus Health Improvement Tour. They actually have a 15-minute checkup where you can get your BMI, cholesterol, blood sugar, and blood pressure looked at and talk with a health coach. Also check out the new mindfulness experience with guided